G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, unit number 1, 415 to 417 on Boat Harbour Drive in the popular beachside suburb of Torquay. Properties rarely become available in this complex, so let's go and take a look around. This home truly offers an ideal investment or low maintenance home base opportunity. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we have seen them across Hervey Bay, there's never been a better time to invest in property. Those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels will also appreciate the convenience that comes with being able to simply lock up and leave whenever you like. This great fully furnished villa is positioned in the lifestyle community of Fraser Pacific Estate with resort amenities including a pool and tennis courts, and it comes with reasonable body corporate rates. You have public transport at your doorstep and you're only minutes away from key amenities which include shopping centres, medical centres, hospitals, cafés, restaurants, the beach and esplanade. This lovely cottage-style villa features a large north-facing outdoor entertaining deck to the front, where you'll enjoy your morning cuppa with the rising sun and a cool beverage with the last rays of light while watching the world go by. You will immediately notice the high-vaulted timber ceilings across the open-plan dining and living area, which assist in keeping this home cool over the warmer summer months. The aspect of this home also captures the prevailing sea breezes. The kitchen includes plenty of bench and storage space and features an electric hot plate with range hood, wall oven and a dishwasher. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, and 2 also feature ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and a refurbished ensuite. The bathroom has also been refurbished and includes a bath, shower and vanity, and we have a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct outside access to the clothesline. This villa also includes a detached secure lock-up garage. The owner has committed to selling this great property and is looking for an immediate sale. So here is your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.